I want to show you something that just has absolutely been a game changer for us as we've worked with our clients on high density storage systems. Now, what do I mean by high density is we're talking about when you have multiple pallets of the same product, you're going to want to store it multiple pallets deep, right? Like there's not a whole lot of sense in just making it all selective. So there's been a variety of different technologies, if you will, along the way that have allowed you to do that. And the semi-automated pallet shuttle came on the scene and really just took the cake in my mind. Drive-in rack, think about it. You have a forklift that is going in and retrieving the pallets, bringing it back out. Your forklift driver has to be really skilled. He's going at a slow clip. Now, something that I absolutely love about the semi-automated pallet shuttle is that you're only ever operating at the pick face. So you're gonna go in with your forklift, you're gonna pick up the shuttle that you see retrieving the pallet right now. You're gonna take it and you're gonna move it to the different lanes in the pick face. And the shuttle is gonna do all the hard work of going in, retrieving your pallets. And it knows what it needs to do because it's in a rail guidance system, also working with lasers as well too. So you get the full benefits of high density storage. You get the benefit of not sending a forklift driver in there. And as a result of that, there's more safety. You're not damaging your equipment and the throughput actually increases substantially. Now, one of the things that I also really enjoy about this, it may be lesser known, but starting in 2022 for International Fire Code and NFPA 13, what's happening is Fire Code came back and basically said any high density system that is more than 20 feet in depth or 25 feet in height, you need to either put in rack sprinklers and have sprinklers all woven into your system, or the alternative there is you could still leverage your ceiling level sprinklers as long as you maintain 6 inches of clearance or what's called flue space around your pallet. Now, if you think about that with a normal forklift, it's really hard to gauge, okay, how far am I driving in to maintain that 6 inches, right? With the shuttle, you have these sensors that you can programmatically put in that depth. You can say, hey, I want to keep 6 inches off of the pallet just behind it. And at that point now, you can have that high density and still meet fire code and still have the benefits of high throughput, smaller footprint in your warehouse. So I want to actually come show you a couple of things here. You see here, in a system like this, when you get to about that 5-6 pallet deep type of profile, you want to start thinking about something, a technology like this, right? That's where drive-in made a lot of sense as well too. But you start introducing a pallet shuttle like this, you can start really extending that back. I mean, you start to see some of these systems go maybe even as far back as like 20, 30, 40 pallets deep. And the shuttle, once again, is doing all that hard work of going back and forth. And I want to show you a little bit closer here. So on the shuttle here, you can see that there's a variety of sensors. You got some that are closer to the rail, some that are front here. And that's what's actually going to detect the pallet either in front of it or that it's retrieving. And that's what's going to tell the shuttle, hey, stop here, lift at this point. And it's going to tell that lifting mechanism to take it off of the rail and bring it back, whether it's a pick or a deposit within the system. One other advantage I want to talk about with a system like this, your operation may care about, last in, first out, or maybe you have to be first in, first out, right? With a system like this, these are really flexible. You can design it either way. If you think about like pallet flow with gravity, you load in from the back and it has to flow to the front, right? There's none of this interchangeability that you can get from something like a pallet shuttle system. So absolutely love it. We're a big fan. We've put a few of these systems in and they've just been such a game changer for our clients and have allowed them to increase their throughput, increase their storage density, and just really operate at a more efficient level, resulting in real estate savings and ultimately time and labor savings as well too.